Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the three-way split screen multitasking on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So, first of all, we will have to unfold our screen because the three app split screen mode only works this way. Then we're gonna have to open our first application and let it be, for example, the browser. May slightly decrease the brightness. Okay, now to open the second app, we have to open the app's edge and hold the finger down on the second application, then drag it to one side of the screen to open it here. And now let's find the third application that we want to open, and we can place it in six different positions. So either on the edge or next to one of the two apps, for example right here. And this way we can use three applications simultaneously. We can of course resize and reshape them by dragging the bars between them like this. And that's how you do it on your Samsung Fold smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.